It's Christmas Day, and Lucas put the little baby Jesus into the manger, into the cradle in the manger. Here's the tree, all lit up. It looks so pretty at night. Ooh, it looks like Santa came. Look at all those packages under the tree. Wonder who they're all for. Here's the table, all set for Christmas dinner. Soon everybody will be gathered around with very full tummies. And everybody has a little ornament next to their dish. And I'll zoom in, and it has their name on it. So look here. Grandpa's sitting here. So pretty. Yummy. Oh, taking this yummy spiral ham out of the oven. That's very hot. Oh, look at that. Doesn't that look delicious?
Yummy.
Alrighty. We'll be eating soon.
Hey, Santa, the city is covered in snow tonight. Where did my love go? Santa, I'm waiting for him, but he's nowhere inside. And all of the presents are still by the tree. They don't mean a thing till he's here with me. If you know where he is, please give him a ride. And I will wait here by the candlelight, 'cause he's the...
Here's Jake, the eldest grandson. He's playing Santa today. He's going to give out all the gifts. And Pebble, what are you doing? All right, let's go get everybody so we can get started.
The enjoyment is opening.
The cameraman's opening a present, right, Lucas? Let's see what it is. Let's zoom in on the cameraman.
I was fired.
Oh, he's telling everybody he was fired. Don't listen to
Trying to be
him.
nice.
Don't listen to him.
I'm glad I was
Grandpa was fired from his job.
You collect unemployment?
I tell you,
What could be in the box?
probably pajamas.
Let's see.
Oh, Peconic sake.
Oh, you need this, Grandpa?
What is it?
Oh,
Oh, it's a Pequanic soccer sweatshirt.
It's a new zip
Nice.
up for you.
yes, and it has my
Wow.
name on the back.
Very nice.
So when you come to
Nice.
the games,
Flip it around.
you're
Well,
The Irish Goldberg.
actually your last name. Hopefully it
Mabel.
fits because
Yeah.
it's not returnable.
All right.
Thank you.
Look at Jason, his favorite gift. A Golden Girls t-shirt.
Oh my God. Pretty fun.
Jason, one of them is still alive.
Yeah, one of them is.
You're still in contention.
Lucas got his new shoes. Ooh, Dawn's opening up a gift. That's an ice bucket.
Are you trying to say something?
No, but look at it. It's the rose gold crystal.
Well, my ice bucket's missing. So
That's made by
It is?
Bit.
that's why whenever you come to my house, I have my ice in a bowl.
Well, I thought you would like that.
Thank you, I love it.
It's made
You're
by Bit.
Now we
welcome.
have an ice bucket. It's the bebe.
I thought those crystals were perfect for you.
Thank you, sir.
Oh, look what Jake got. What is that? Oh, wow. Oh, a keyboard.
Dear
Okay.
Jake, I have to take a photo of people with gifts. Give me a little.
Look at the pillow. Lucas got. Let me zoom in on it, Lucas. Let me see. Whoa. All shots from when you did videos with me. Cool. Here comes a surprise gift for Uncle Scott. A rug for his family room. Whoa.
Very nice.
A nice rug for his family room.
Don't open it up, please.
You like it? Look at those nice colors. Woohoo!
Jake, you got SpongeBob Kyrie's.
Take a nap.
There's Uncle Scott. He's opening up a gift. What could be in that little tiny box? I don't know. Let's see. Oh, nice gift card. Woo-hoo-hoo.
Alright.
Oh, there's Paco open. Oh, Devil's Gloves. Who are they from?
Jake and Aaron.
Jake and Aaron. Whoa, very nice. Oh, what did you get, Kyle? What's the name of the game?
Call of Duty.
Call of Duty. Aaron's opening a gift over there. Annie and Dawn. We've been opening gifts for so long, everyone's starving, so we have to move it a little faster. What could they possibly be, Aaron?
That means I know what that is. That means I know what that is.
What do you have there?
Is that a huggle box?
You're welcome. And Grandpa.
Alright.
And Grandpa.
There's a balance on the bill. We only pay.
Dawn. She has a recipe holder for her kitchen, for her cookbooks. Oh, Nana got Esty perfume. Very nice. That's your favorite.
Oh my god.
What is that you have, Lucas?
Hug a pet.
A Hug-a-Pet shark? Whoa, nice. Got his Ferraro candy too. And don't let Kyle and Lucas eat it all. As you can see, my living room is becoming a mess. But that's okay. Pick it all up later. Everybody's eating now. We have corn, we have lasagna,
Are they good?
spiral ham,
Just put that
mashed
those on the
potatoes, pepperoni bread, Caesar salad. After spending hours opening gifts,
Bacon and cheddar.
everyone is eating. Everyone is hungry. So everybody finished dinner? And now we have all the desserts that the Baking Diva made. Look at these. We have our chocolate chips.
I know where I'm hiding.
We have my fudge that I made. We have peanut butter cookies. These are delicious. These are cranberry and white chocolate walnut cookies. They're so good. And here I have my chocolate covered cherries and the brown butter pecan. These are chocolate espresso. Dawn made a chocolate cream pie. Is that what it is?
Chocolate pudding pie.
Oh, and this we didn't open yet, but it's an apple caramel cake. And these are going fast. It looks like next year I'm gonna have to make more of these. My grandmother's Italian cookies. And here's the gingerbreads that Lucas made. And we're all ready to dig into our cookies. So,
I already digged in.
stay tuned. I'll see you soon. We're playing the reindeer game. Let's see if these dudes can get it on my antlers. Let's go, Aaron.
You better move about 8 times like you did for me. Yo, go on. Blaster. Alright, tie it down. One more.
One more. Hey, you did that on purpose. Well, everybody ate and had dessert, and now we're playing the reindeer game. So Jake is the reindeer, and Kyle's going to see how many rings he can get on the antlers. So go, Kyle.
Sucks.
not doing very good so far. Come on, go Kyle.
Can't. Jake didn't.
Oh, one. You got one on.
Kyle's a slob. I got one.
All right, Kyle won. All right, now Aaron's going to give it a go, and Jake is still the reindeer.
How's the reindeer?
Almost.
All six.
Oh, come on, Aaron. Oh, yay, one. Almost. Oh.
I call bull.
One more. Oh. Oh. All right. Dawn is going now, and she's going to try to get it on the antlers. Go, Dawn.
Come on, Dawn.
And Dawn's very good, and she's very competitive. Come on, Dawn. Don't make a liar on me. Oh.
I'm not gonna get any.
You smell.
Thank you.
Oh.
Good. Use your softball stick.
Oh.
No.
Oh,
Let's go.
now Lucas is going to go, and he's going to try to get it on Jake's antlers. Go! Oh, almost, Lucas. Oh.
If it makes more than me, I'm dying.
Maybe a little lower, Lucas. Oh.
Stop moving.
Oh.
Soup.
All right, now Kyle is the reindeer.
Reindeer too.
Oh, one.
Look.
Oh, jeez. Just stay straight. Oh.
You're falling apart here, Kim.
Oh.
Now what do we do? Me, Jake, and Aaron all the time.